Hi everyone. Today I'm going to work on a project that came to my brain kind of out of nowhere. My next door neighbor threw out a light, and I'll show you this light in just a minute. And I thought, boy, there's got to be something I can do with this light that she threw away that I can make look attractive again. Repurpose, so you say. So I'm going to show you the beginning of the project, the midway of the project, and then the end. And hopefully my brain will transform this into something fun and something you might be able to do with trash of your own. Okay, this is what I am going to repurpose. I am going to attempt to make this a flower pot hanger. There's the attachment that will go with it. So you see it in its infancy. Then you'll know what it's going to look like when hopefully I get it all done. So the first thing I'm doing is removing all of these tops. There's a base on there that I'm going to attach the flower pots to. But I have to remove all of these. I'll have to cut this off here. You can see. But then there'll be a nice base there. So I have many more to go. But I've got 2 started, and I'll take those off and show you as I go. Okay, all of them are off except the one. I wanted to show you what it looks like now that I have all of those electrical attachments taken off. Okay, the first stages of it turning to yellow. I'm going to put multicolor flower pots on this. I hope you can see this. It's in its infancy, but it's okay. I'm good with it. So far, so good. It'll look good hanging on that tree right there. That's where it's going to be purposed at. Good morning, everyone.
Get a picture of the giraffe.
I'm not going to get a picture of the giraffe. Good morning, everyone. Hi, Frank and I are out here on the front porch, and we're getting ready to
Don't step on the dog.
We're in the back porch, and don't step on the dog. We're on the back porch, and we're getting ready to, we went and got all the stuff that I'm going to use for my little lamp here that's going to hang outside. We figured out how we're going to put it and where we're going to put it. So let me turn it around and show you the progress I've made and what we've done with it so far. I went and bought succulents. These succulents, I'm going to put them in each one of these pots. I'm going to spray the pots the 3 different colors that will match my cushions. So there will be turquoise, orange, and red. Each one of these will carry 2 little small succulents. Okay, there's a plane flying over, but I wanted to show you. I've spray painted all of my pots. I'm going to do 2 in orange, 2 in red, and you can't really see that red. It hasn't really turned out as reddish as I like it. So I've got another red over there that I'm going to paint it. And then the turquoise. And I'm doing these colors to match my pillows and Chase lounge covers and the pillows up in there. So you can see the colors I'm trying to emulate. I hope you can all see how colorful these all are. When it gets up on the tree, it's going to just be magnificent. I'll show you a picture of it when we get it done. Come back and watch. Okay, everyone, I've got all of the pots done. They're all right there. Blue, red, orange, blue, red, orange. 6 of them. I'm going to put some cactus, palm, mud that is good for succulents in each one of these pots and fill them with 2 succulents each. Okay, everyone, I had a change of heart last night. I laid in bed and thought about it over and over, and I think putting the hummingbird feeders on this would make it look a little too tchotchke-ish. So Frank took me this morning. We ran down to Lowe's. I bought 3 more pots for the top of it. I've got them glued in, painted and glued in. I'm going to put the succulents in a few minutes, and then we're going to hang it. Frank has just put up my new flower pot, hanging flower pot. I'm going to show it to you and show you how well it goes into the rest of the yard, the colorfulness of the rest of the yard. this is the end of the project. I hope you like it. I hope you look at it and watch it and share it with people. And then come back and subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate it. Thanks so much. This is Pamela Pace at Purely Pam, thanking you all for joining me. Bye-bye.